Hearing a loud clicking noise under the hood and feeling a sudden loss of engine power when you hit the gas? You might be dealing with an intake manifold tuning valve issue, specifically trouble code P0660. This generic OBD2 code means your engine control module has detected an open electrical circuit or a general electrical fault in the intake manifold tuning valve control circuit on bank 1. Bank 1 is simply the side of a V6 or V8 engine that houses cylinder number 1. The tuning valve, often called a flapper valve by mechanics, is a small, mostly plastic device responsible for changing the path of the air flowing into your engine to maximize horsepower and fuel efficiency. When this valve fails or the circuit opens, your engine computer loses control of the airflow. The symptoms of this code are usually pretty obvious. You will likely experience very poor engine performance, a noticeable drop in your gas mileage, weird cold start issues, or even an engine misfire right when you turn the key. Sometimes you can actually hear a loud, repetitive clicking noise coming from the engine bay as the computer tries and fails to move the jammed plastic valve. The most common causes include a physically broken or stuck tuning valve, which happens a lot in extreme cold weather where the plastic becomes brittle and snaps. You could also be dealing with melted wiring harnesses, a broken electrical connector, or heavy carbon buildup blocking the valve from moving. To fix this at home, start by clearing the code with a scanner and taking a long test drive to see if it comes right back. If it does, open the hood and locate the tuning valve on your intake manifold. Check the wiring harness for any rub bare wires or melted plastic caused by the extreme engine heat. If you have an advanced skin tool, you can try to command the valve to open and close electronically. If you hear the clicking sound but the valve does not move, there is a good chance it is jammed with debris or completely broken internally. You can remove the valve to inspect the intake manifold for blockages, and if it is clear, replacing the tuning valve usually solves the problem. However, if the new valve does not fix it, or if your wiring harness is severely damaged and throwing multiple different codes, it is time to bring your car to a professional mechanic to test the engine control module. Stay safe out on the road, and see you next time.